Yeah!
And I took a picture of me and I put it up on my Instagram. Okay. I have books for $5.
Only $5?
$10. $15.
Only $15.
And these books are amazing because I do take credit cards. But one of the books has writing prompts in it. It has 13 different artists, including Ken Archine, Aja Monet, Joshua Bennett, Carmen Hassan, Ebony Hogan, Falou. You bought that book. Did y'all get it to work? Excellent. So there you go. If Javon likes it, Jesus likes it. And if you don't like Jesus, that's fine. Whatever you gotta be, they perfect. All right. So I have books. Please buy it. And thank you again for having me. And this poem I wrote after Women of the World Poetry Slam in 2009. A woman said, I'm really tired of hearing all of these black poems. Right. I was like, well, I'm black as hell. I don't know what else you're going to get for me. Everything I write is a black poem because I'm black, right? So this is called Things You Don't Understand. This kin, this stone-tossed family, this kin, this death of choice, this choice of addiction, this kin addicted to dying, this black death that smells like home, this heart has no home, this heart left a home in California. This heart found a home in Brooklyn, in airports, in a little girl's eyes, in the halo of gentrification. And a little bit better, it will all be better if I could just have this home, this house, this man that I love, this love I can't hold, this man that I need, this life I can't hold, this want, this now, this here. Sprawled inside my chest, this black, that I can't separate from the breaking sunrise of this smile, this root of all evil, this woman, this evil, this woman, this God, this evil to think myself evil, this God, this evil to think myself anything less than woman, this Bermuda, this Stonehenge, this temple, this flesh and this fat, this sister, this lover, this wife, yes, this wife, this here, be more than your jump off, this be more than your free milk, this be your mother's lonely, this black girl, this bricklayer, this woman that can't forget how to kiss like shadows, how to smile like crypt keepers, how to pray like a whisperer, how to forget where she came from a gutter of a woman and a jawbreaker of a man, this hammerhead love sits on my chest, this crunch, this crush, this sounds of breakable things, this worthless thing, this worthwhile thing, this breath is worthwhile, this hurt is worth now, this now is worth tomorrow, this tomorrow ain't even here yet, but it sounds good, sound like spill 40 ounces of split cliff lips, this concrete crack tomorrow. This glass chip tomorrow, this morning song of good, this Billie Holiday heartbreak good, this Nina Simone feel good, tomorrow's full of good, and heart clatter, and this sound like love, this harbor, this boat, this water, this love, this faith, this cliff, this dive, this miss and fuck around and dive again, still this love that loves so much more than love, this girl that loves a love like this sinner smile, this blade rebirth, this jackknife heart, this pulse with a face like our own, this bloody pope, this. Thank you.